We're in Ronda for one night only, and this here, Hotel Polo, is our accommodation. It's right in the historical centre, so come along and we'll give you a room tour.
Come join us.
Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
This is the room for our one night in Ronda. We've not really had a good look around it yet. It's quite a bright room. It's got air conditioning. This is the wardrobe area. It's got safe. No fridge. Dressing table and mirror. Double sink. Shower over the bath. Toilet and bidet and some toiletries. It's right in the middle of Ronda. The reception's open from 9 AM till 9 PM, but there's a key code on the door so that you can get in whenever you want to. We've got here a little bit earlier, but they've let us check in early. There is a little cafeteria. You can pay extra for breakfast if you want to. If you book it the day before, it's £8.50, and if you go in on the day, it's €10, and it's a buffet style breakfast. There's also a roof terrace that's got like an honesty bar up there. It's got a fridge, and you take items out and write them into a book with your room number, and they charge you for them as you leave, like a mini bar in a hotel. And they've not taken payment for this yet. They said that they'd charge us when we check out, so that's different. We'll go and have a look at my dad's room in a minute. So this is my dad's room, which is also really nice and cosy. Oh, I don't think we've got a TV in ours.
Right, yeah.
No. Air conditioning. And then in there's the bathroom, and you've got a bigger wardrobe than we have as well. Mm-hmm. You always get the bigger rooms.
That's because I'm bigger.
Well, not really.
That's nice. This is a nice big room.
So I'm wrong. We have got a TV.
Yeah.
Don't know what channels we've got on it. There's no parking included with the hotel, but they have got an underground car park, which has got limited availability. Now, today they've got a space, so we're putting our car in there, and it's costing us €14 for the night. But they've also got an agreement with a few of the other car parks close by, so that if you park in them, you get a ticket and you get a discounted rate. So Andy's just parking the car at the moment. You watch, it'll be another one of them lifts. I bet it is. He'll not be happy about that. So we're in the lift, so it has got a lift. I don't know if I told you that they'd sent me loads of WhatsApp as well with maps on it showing the restaurants that they recommend that are close by, and also another map with a walking route around all the different monuments. So that's come to me through a WhatsApp. So that's the breakfast room in there.
And that's how much? €8?
£8.50 if you book it the day before, or €10 if you book it on the day, and it's served from 8:30 in the morning until 10 o'clock at night. They've also got other options there as well that you can see, and then got a little reception area here that you can sit and wait in, which is really cute and bijou. Check-in is just there. Oh, and also in this room, she told me, but there's a microwave and a fridge. So you can actually bring your own food into here and warm it up and heat it up if you want to. So there's a big fridge, freezer, microwave, tables and chairs, a kettle. You're not actually allowed to take your own food and drinks up onto the roof though. You've got to buy the ones that are in the fridge. This is the roof terrace on our hotel.
There's the church.
Yeah, there, look. That looks really pretty actually. And then here, it's really nice. You take maybe a bottle of wine. Or is there anything in the fridge? Yeah, it is full. Look, soft drinks, wine, beers. You take what you want to. The prices are there, and then you write down.
I'm just covering that up because it's got people's details.
You write down what you've had, and they charge you when you check out. So it's like really, it's like an honesty box. That's good. If you're planning a trip to Ronda and you think you might be interested in booking this hotel, look in the description below and there'll be a booking.com link that takes you through to this exact hotel so that you can book it. If you found this video interesting, give us a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe, and we'll see you later. Hasta pronto!